Superhumans Exit Point, Year 2, Virtual School Experience, Week 5, Part 2. Event Alert. Year 2, Snack Time, Thursday, 9th of April, 10 a.m. As part of the exit point for this topic, we would like Year 2 to come together for a shared virtual snack time on Thursday, our last day before the holidays. Mrs. Miller has sent the Zoom invitation and it's on the Firefly grid. Bring a snack to eat while we chat and be ready to explain why your choice of snack is a healthy one. Superhumans Revision. Well done, Year 2, on all your hard work. During this unit, we've been learning what the main external parts of the body are called, all about the 5 human senses, how the brain connects to other body parts, how to eat healthily and about food groups, why exercise is important for our bodies and about different types of exercise. Let's do a fun quiz to see how much you remember. Superhumans Revision. Can you remember the names of these trickier parts of the body? Let's start with this one here. Can you remember the name of this part of your body at the top of your arms? That's right, they're called the shoulders. What about this one here? The part at halfway down your arm? Can you say it out loud? That's right, your elbow. What about this part here? The wiggly things at the end of your arms. What did you say? Fingers? That's correct. What about this part just above your foot? Do you remember the name? Ankle, that's right. Let's have a go at this one here now. You have 2 of these either side of your head. Your ears, well done. What about this one here? Not your fingers. What's the name of the largest thing on the end of your arms? Your thumb, that's right. What do we call this part just above your hand? Do you remember? Your wrist, well done. What's this bit halfway down your leg where you can bend your leg? Your knee, well done. And finally, you have 10 of these at the end of your feet. Do you remember? Your toes. How many did you get right? See if you can complete these sentences. This is my, it protects my organs and gives my body shape. What is this a picture of? Did you say skeleton? You'd be right. Well done. These are my I use them to breathe in oxygen, which my body needs. What do you think? Did you say lungs? You'd be right. Well done. This is my It takes the oxygen from my into my blood and pumps it around the body. What is it? Did you say heart? You're right. This is my heart. It takes the oxygen from my lungs into my blood and pumps it around my body. Finally, do you know what this is? This is my It controls all of my actions and helps me learn new things. What did you think it was? This is my brain. That's right. It controls all your actions and helps you learn new things. Here's a few more questions about the senses to see what you remember. Can you name these 5 senses that help us be superhuman? The first one we use our mouth for. Can you remember? Taste. The second one that we use our ears for. What do we call that sense? That's right, hearing. What do we use our eyes for? We use our eyes To see. Sight is our third sense. What do we use our nose for? We use it to smell, that's right. And finally, we can use all of our skin for this one, but our fingers particularly are used to touch. Next question. Which two of these body parts do we use to taste? Remember, it's not just the mouth that helps us to taste things. That's right, we also need our nose to help us taste different flavours. Finally, can you name the 4 tastes or flavours that we can taste? Do you remember them from the sort? The first one was salty. Another one beginning with S, sweet. Another one beginning with S, sour. And the final one beginning with a B was bitter. That's right. Our amazing brains remember if we've used our sense of touch to feel a texture before. Use your memory to answer these questions. Number 1. How will this coffee cup feel if you touched it? This will feel... What did you think? Hot? That's right, it would feel hot. What about this material? If you touch this, how would it feel? This will feel... Maybe you said silky. Or perhaps you said smooth. Or you might even have thought soft. They're all correct. Finally, how would this feel, this cactus, if you touched it? What word would you use to describe it? This will feel prickly. Let's think about our food groups. Do you remember? We put all the food groups into a pyramid so we know which ones we should eat more of. Can you think of one type of food to put into each of these food groups in the pyramid? Let's start at the top here. What do you think? What would we put inside the fat section? Remember, that's sugary foods and oily foods. Say one type of food out loud that you might put there. Did I hear someone say chocolate? Yep, chocolate is very high in sugar. It's not very good for us, so we'd only have a small amount of that. Maybe oils and other sugary things like biscuits. What about in the next layer down? The proteins. Can you think a type of food that goes here? That's right. Did I hear someone say meat? Meat is a good source of protein, as is fish. Let's think about the third one down. Dairy. What would go into this food group? Dairy. I think someone said milk. That's right, milk. Also cheese. And yogurt. What about the carbohydrates? That's a hard word to say, isn't it? Do you remember what it means? What foods are in this group? That's right, bread, pasta, and rice. And finally at the bottom, we have our fruit and vegetables. This is a pretty easy one. Can you name 2 fruits or vegetables that can go into this group? There's so many, aren't there? What's your favourite? Maybe you thought of oranges? What about apples? Maybe you thought about broccoli. There are many different examples of fruit and vegetables, and as we remember, these are the ones we should eat the most of. Now, let's think about why we exercise. Can you remember, let's say, 2 of the 5 reasons why exercise is good for you? We did this just at the beginning of the week, so hopefully it's fresh in your mind. Think about the different parts of your body that exercise is good for. Now, say one reason out loud now. Sounding good. Let's see which one of these you said. Number 1, it keeps your heart strong and healthy. Did you say that one? Number 2, it makes your muscles stronger. Number 3, it keeps you flexible. Is that the one you remembered? Number 4, it makes you feel good. Hopefully you got 2 out of these already. And finally, exercise keeps a balance between the energy we consume or eat and the energy we use up. Which of those did you manage to remember? On Monday, we asked you to use this word bank to complete these sentences about exercise. Let's see if you got them right. Humans need exercise because it keeps their heart... What did you put? Healthy. Exercise makes your muscles... What did you put? Stronger. It uses up calories and keeps your body... That's right, fit. When you do exercise, your body feels what? Tired. Your heart beats and you breathe more That's right, your heart beats faster and you breathe more quickly. Well done. How did you do in this quiz? Would you give yourself 1, 2, or 3 smiley faces for how much you remember? Give yourself a pat on the back if you managed to answer most questions. Now it's time for us to think about our exit point task. You are going to make a poster to persuade students and teachers at La Cotte to be healthy. Use all the knowledge you've gained from this topic to tell people why they should eat healthily and exercise. Your poster should include some information about healthy eating choices and why it's important for your body to eat well, and why exercise is good for us and some examples of types of exercise. You can choose one of these 2 options to make your poster. Number 1, use a piece of paper or several stuck together to make your poster. You can draw or stick on pictures, but don't forget to write some text explaining why we should keep our bodies healthy. Or you can choose option 2 and do the purple mash activity called Healthy Choices Poster. If you want, you can challenge yourself by doing both. Holiday challenge. If you have some spare time over the holidays, you could challenge yourself to plan and prepare a healthy meal for your family using your knowledge of the food groups. Please send us pictures of you doing this task so we can share them with your classmates. Finally, congratulations Year 2. You've used all the personal learning goals to finish this topic unit from home. You used great communication, talking with adults at home about your topic work. You were inquiring, doing experiments and tasks to learn about our amazing bodies. You were thoughtful, thinking and reflecting on the work you do at home. You showed great morality, choosing to do the right thing and work hard. You were resilient. You didn't give up, even though you can't do your work at school. You've been adaptable, doing your work from home. And you've shown cooperation, working with people in your house to get things done. Finally, You were being respectful, kind and considerate to the other people who are trying to work in your house as well. Great job, Year 2. Have a wonderful break from the Year 2 team.